not helping, is she?
My dog is one of my problems.
Uh-oh.
Jenny, get out.
Kenny, come on. There's nowhere to go. There she goes. You okay? You gonna make it?
Yeah. I made it.
It didn't look like your back was hurting that much.
My hip was working pretty good.
Was it? That's good. Now can you scoot back up in the chair?
What?
Can you scoot back up in the chair?
Yeah, I'll get up.
You can? Okay, I'll turn this off.